Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your host SM, and today I'm going to show you how to fix waiting for download problem in the Play Store with 4 easy steps. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of a new video. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm going to try to install an application. I'm going to install TikTok, but each time I install it tells me waiting for download. Just cancel it, then go to your Play Store settings. It's just above here. Then click on settings down here, then click on this option here which says app download preference. If it was set to over Wi-Fi only and you're using mobile data, you won't be able to install any application from the Play Store until you have a Wi-Fi connection. But if you set it to over any network, you'll be able to install any application through mobile data or Wi-Fi. And when you're done setting this, click on done. After there, you'll fix the problem. Okay guys, if method number 1 didn't fix your problem, try method number 2. Go to your Play Store settings, then scroll down until this option here which says Play Store version, then click on it. If your Google Play Store is up to date, it will tell you that your Google Play Store is up to date. But if your Google Play Store is not up to date, you have to update it, then try installing again the application. Okay, going to method number 3. If the second method and the first method didn't work for you, try this method. Now go to your phone's settings. Go to your phone settings, then click on applications. It's actually different from other devices. It's apps and notifications. Anyway, just find the option that says applications or app and notifications, then search for your Google Play Store. It's right over here. Then click on the option here which says force stop. Just click on it. Don't worry, just click on the force stop option. After you've done this, reboot your phone and try again. Okay, moving on to method 4. Actually, if the other 3 methods didn't work for you, this is probably gonna work. Go to your phone settings, then click on applications, then search for Google Play Services. Actually, it's next to Play Store. Just click on it, then click on storage, then click on manage storage, then click on the option that says clear all data. Just click on OK. When you're done, do the same thing to Play Store. Go to storage, then click on the option that says clear data, then click on delete. So after you've done this, go to your Play Store and try again to install that application. This time it will take a bit longer to open. Okay, I'm going to try to install again that application. I'm going to install TikTok. Okay guys, see, problem fixed. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, don't forget to put them in the comment section below.